Okay, Caulking 101, Caitlin style. Here we go. In my house, I have caulk that has actual paint flaking off of it, which means somebody used non-paintable caulk. Nice. First things first, since I am painting my trim, I am getting white caulk, and this is paintable caulk. Make sure that you're getting paintable caulk. This is for windows, doors, trim. It's the best. I love it. Okay, so where do you caulk? On the insides. Here, 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 and here. Thank you, Vanna Wannabe. Well done. These are the things I use and these only. Caulk gun, razor, caulk, baby wipes, toothpick, done. Every caulk tube is going to show you where you can cut for that size hole. Pay no attention to those. Cut way higher than all of those. Look how high up I'm cutting. Look very closely. I'm going to show you in a second. See how high up my cut is? Yep, go there. Bam. Beautiful. Every caulk gun has a secret stabber, and this one is not going to work. No, 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 don't use this. Grab your little toothpick, and you're going to use your fine motor skills, and you're going to stab it in there just a little bit because you're going to puncture the seal on the inside. And until you see this white gunk on there, then you're done, good to go. That releases the pressure, and then you're going to load up your gun, and we're in business. Make sure the slant is facing downward. Grab a razor blade and score the old caulk, and then grab it with maybe the tip of your razor blade and just start pulling it. It will snap in some places, and that's okay, and you are going to make quite a bit of a mess. In some cases, you may need to run your razor blade right along with it, and that comes right off then. Remember that toothpick size hole we made? Well, now we're going to run a bead of caulk down alongside the trim where the old caulk was. Grab one baby wipe and your finger and slowly go down the line here and save the excess on your baby wipe, and you're going to see why. Keep saving it, go down, smush it in on the line, and use the excess to cover in any larger spaces that have extra holes. People, we need to save the planet, not use a million baby butt wipes. And then you're going to fold it over so you don't have any excess, and you're going to just wipe it off over again, fold it over again, see, same wipe, and wipe. You're not wiping off the caulk, see? Check, finger check. Oh, beautiful. You did good, kid.